accused of a deadly home invasion. A judge ruled 17-year-old Jacob Mouzon and 18-year-old Drake Campbell will stay in jail for their alleged involvement in Thursday's crime in Berkeley County. They face several charges, including murder. Our Lindsay Maloney was in the courtroom. She has more tonight.
Jacob is my best friend. And I know what he did was wrong. I completely understand it.
A sister's emotional plea to the judge.
But he's not a bad person.
Brings 17-year-old Jacob Mouzon and 18-year-old Drake Campbell to tears.
The person that they're making him out to be, he's not that person.
The teens are both charged with 5 counts: attempted murder, burglary, and 2 counts of armed robbery. The family of the victim, Kadeem Johnson, wasn't there, but Mouzon's mother apologizes for the teens' actions.
I apologize for him. I know their hearts are breaking, they're breaking, and I'm sorry for them.
Family members say Mouzon was going in the National Guard in August, and Campbell had joined the Navy.
They're not awful, terrible kids. It looks like him, but they're not.
The state was present and asked the teens to be denied bond.
The violent nature of the crime, and also the fact that it took 4 law enforcement agencies 2 days to apprehend Mr. Mouzon.
Lindsay Maloney, ABC News 4.
The summary court judge can't grant or deny bond on murder charges. At a later date, the teens will face a circuit court judge for a decision. Meanwhile, court records show the suspects shot the victim execution style after binding his hands with duct tape. His girlfriend was also shot, but she is expected to be okay. Meanwhile, Kenneth Campbell, another suspect in this case, was in court tonight for a second time in 2 days. The teen's loved ones left the courtroom before he entered. Campbell showed no emotion as the judge read his 2 additional charges: armed robbery and attempted murder. The judge said both charges can carry up to 30 years in prison if convicted. His brother, Drake Campbell, was a star athlete at Timberland High School. He played basketball and football for years. You can see him making touchdown after touchdown in this video. We did reach out to his former coach, who said he is shocked to hear that Drake Campbell may be involved in this incident. Now, there are 2 other suspects in this case. That brings the total to 5. Deputies, though, still working to identify who those 2 are. The heat